Our family doesn't really like to drink milk, but there are many recipes that require you to have milk in them. Lots of breads, pastries, and even cream soups will want you to add milk into them. But if we go out and buy a big gallon of milk, or a half gallon, or even a pint of milk from the store, it's too much milk. By the time we're ready to use it again, it spoils. So our best alternative we have found is this powdered milk. So this one will store and last for a long time. We don't have to worry about it spoiling on us, and it's very easy to put in recipes. You can dump the powdered milk directly into the recipe and then add your water, or you can make the milk beforehand. According to the directions on the package, 1/3 cup of powder and 1 cup of warm water. Now you'll see it's a little clumpy when you first pour it in. You gotta stir it up. You'll see there's still gonna be a little bit of clumps inside usually, a little bit of clumpings, but for the most part, it dissolves away. And now you have a cup of hot milk, ready for biscuits, muffins, pastries, any kind of breads you want, even hot chocolate. And tastes even better than the store-bought milk.